When you think about this remedy, think about spasms, blueness and metallic taste. You are right, I am talking about Cuprum metallicum. When you talk about Cuprum, you see there are a lot of spasms everywhere, cramps everywhere. पेशेंट बोलता है डॉक्टर साहब रात में मेरे पैरों को बहुत ज़्यादा वात आता है, पैर में ऐसा अकड़न होता है, दर्द होता है, नींद नहीं होता है, पैर में ऐसा स्ट्रेच करती हूँ तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. Think about Cuprum metallicum. Next thing is blueness, cyanosis, blueness of face. You can see in severe cases of respiratory problems in Cuprum metallicum. Next is blueness in cough. You can see the blueness. In the convulsions, you can see the blueness. How is the cough of Cuprum metallicum? Cough, you see, it is night aggravation. There is lot of spasmodic cough. You see the paroxysm. How many paroxysm? एक बार पेशेंट आता है आपके पास, वो कितनी बार खांस रहा है? 3 paroxysm, 2 paroxysm. So there are specific remedies for how many paroxysms you can go to the repertory, and you see Cuprum cough is night aggravation. Second is ठंडा पानी पिए तो अच्छा लगता है डॉक्टर साहब. Cold water drinking ameliorates cough. This is a very interesting peculiar symptom. What is the mnemonic for this thing? CCD, convulsive, and in Cuprum, cough and cold water ameliorates. Next thing, the mental symptoms of Cuprum metallicum. It is a very rage remedy. Having rage, the patient bites with anger, and there is imitation like tarantula. पेशेंट बच्चा आता है आपके पास, वो एक्टिंग करता है, माँ बोलती है हम हंस रहे तो वो हंसता है, हम रो रहे तो वो रोता है. दिस कॉल्ड एज इमिटेशन. कंपेयर दिस थिंग टू स्पाइडर्स लाइक tarantula. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज मिमिकिंग, इट्स सेम. एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज fear of society is there in Cuprum metallicum. Now whenever you study a remedy, the most important aspect you should study is the causative factor. In Cuprum metallicum, the cause is the suppressed eruptions anywhere. If they are not evolved, अगर कोई मलम लगा के दबा दिए, suppress eruption हो गए, think of Cuprum metallicum. Next thing is loss of sleep, like nux vomica, very workaholic man, loss of sleep, काम की वजह से नींद नहीं हो रहा है, think of Cuprum. Next is fright, like opium, डर के बाद में अगर convulsion चालू हो गया, Cuprum. And the next is suppression of feet sweat. So all these are the causative factors in Cuprum. Now as I say everywhere, before convulsion what is happening, during convulsion what is happening is very important. एक केस मैं बताता हूँ. मेरे पास एक बच्चा आया था, मैंने ये केस बहुत जगह बताया हुआ है. A child one day status epilepticus. माँ किसी हॉस्पिटल में है, बच्चा किसी हॉस्पिटल में है. पिताजी का मुझे फ़ोन आया कि मेरे बच्चे को बहुत फीट आ रहा है, आप कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या? आई वेंट इन द हॉस्पिटल. नाउ हाउ टू एग्जामिन दिस पेशेंट ऑफ 1 day baby? नाउ हियर व्हाट आई सॉ, आई आस्क्ड द नर्स प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स, इज एनीथिंग पेक्यूलियर दैट यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग? शी टोल्ड मी, सर देयर इज वन थिंग विच आई कैन हेल्प यू. इसको जब भी फिट आता है ना वो ऐसा करता है. सो दिस इज ए वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम इन Cuprum. हिकफ during convulsion. And the next thing which I observed there, it was this thing, clenched fingers during convulsion. This is Cuprum metallicum. And next you see in Cuprum there is clenched thumbs and the convulsion ascend from knees, ascending upwards convulsion. And next thing, after convulsion what happens? There is too much headache. बच्चे आते हैं, जो लोग बड़े आते हैं वो बोलते हैं डॉक्टर साहब फिट आने के बाद में इतना हेडेक होता है कि मुझे सोना पड़ता है. एंड इन सम केसेस पेशेंट्स लाई एज इफ दे आर डेड. दिस टाइप ऑफ they are not unconscious, they reply, but they lie down as if they are dead after convulsions. Now the next thing is tonic and clonic spasms. You see tonic and clonic spasms everywhere. डॉक्टर साहब वात का तकलीफ होता है, अचानक मेरा ना हाथ में वात आ जाता है, मेरे ना इधर गले में पानी पीता हूँ तो वात का तकलीफ होता है, पेट में होता है, पैर में होता है. Cuprum के बारे में सोचिए. नेक्स्ट इज द चिल्ड्रन. इन चिल्ड्रन स्पेशली हैविंग कोलिक and having convulsion, वो क्या करते हैं, ऐसा सोते हैं पेट के बल, lying on abdomen and you see buttocks, वो buttocks are quivering, jerking, पेट के बल सोने के बाद buttocks, they lie on the abdomen and buttocks is twitching, cuprum metallicum. Cuprum lies in the fourth row of periodic table. So the issue is about money, family, security. So here in fourth row, you see he is feeling as if he is a general. The rubric is general he is. Next rubric is officer he is. And the last rubric is talking as if command in air. Patient having lot of ego like sulfur. But sulfur, you see, there is a rugged philosopher. But in cuprum, he is having issue of money, family, security, lies in the left side of the in the right side of the periodic table, जहाँ पर cuprum क्या होता है, कैल्शियम, पोटेशियम, स्कैंडियम, टाइटेनियम, वेनेडियम, आयरन, कोबाल्ट, निकल, कॉपर, जिंक. So it is towards the end. So having fear of losing everything. This is cuprum metallicum. Use this cuprum in cases having anger. The constitution, the patient should have somewhere spasmodic history, clonic tonic spasms, and you see there are two concomitant metallic taste and itching without eruptions in the skin cases. Where there is itching and no eruptions, you can think about the remedies like Dolichos. And you see in cuprum metallicum, the constitution, there is spasmodic. In cough, we have cough where there is night aggravation of the cough. The spasmodic cough and cold amelioration, you can think about cough in cuprum metallicum, and compare the other convulsion remedies and write down in comments. Let's meet in some another remedy. Thank you.